Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Pasta, cheese and I have been in a love triangle for ever. Besides bread, these are my weaknesses. Come on, pasta dishes are so versatile. There are many diverse shapes to choose from, scrumptious sauces to serve with them, and different flavors to complement pasta, just like in this featured recipe. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my smoked salmon fettuccine Alfredo. What a beautiful dish! With a great combination of ingredients and seasoning in a creamy sauce, this fettuccine Alfredo is far more flavorful than the plain creamy ones. So my friends, let's get cooking.
We'll go ahead and make the sauce while the pasta is cooking according to the package directions. In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add oil, and when it's hot, we'll add onions and pressed garlic. Then we'll saute the ingredients for only 1 minute. To this, we'll add butter and stir it around until melted. Next, we'll add heavy cream and pour in a little bit of white wine. We'll stir, bring the mixture to a simmer, and when it just starts, we'll add the smoked salmon and about half a cup of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. We'll combine them into the sauce before seasoning with white pepper and red pepper flakes. We'll give a quick stir and then add our cooked fettuccine, which it should be done by now. So we'll gently incorporate the pasta into the sauce. Now, we'll add half the remaining cheese, I'd say about 1/3 of a cup, and blend it well with the ingredients before adding the rest of it. By adding a little at a time, we get the pasta well coated without it sticking together. So, we'll let the mixture simmer for 2 minutes. A couple minutes later, we'll add the lemon zest and fresh dill. I'm not adding any salt because the cheese is already salty and we cook the pasta in salted water. But if you want to add some, go ahead. After all, you're in charge of your pasta dish. We'll give another good stir and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our smoked salmon fettuccine Alfredo. This is such an amazing recipe. Creamy, smoky, and incredibly flavorful, this is a new take on an old favorite. I find it much tastier than the traditional ones, and I'm sure you'll agree with me after making it. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!